Good evening, everyone. Today I just want to talk a little bit about myself, just so you get to know my background and who I am. This is All About Me by Abigail Jasmine Rodriguez Huerta. So, a little bit about myself. These are just some silly pictures of me that my family took when I was a toddler. I was born on June 25th, 1992, and I am 30 years old. I have four siblings. I have two brothers and two sisters. I have Eleazar, Joel, Cassandra, and Karen. So Eleazar is Ellie, which is him right here, and him right here, and right here. Joel is him and him. Cassandra, right here, and right here, and right here. And then Karen right here and right here. And this is my husband. We got married January 5th, 2019. We just celebrated our 4-year anniversary. And some of my hobbies, I enjoy traveling. Pre-COVID, we actually would travel once a month, somewhere new. Some of our favorite places are actually Las Vegas, cruising, and the casinos out in Lake Charles. And I also love James Avery, not only charms, but also necklace, pendants, and rings. And these are my godchildren. I have four. This is Alejandro. He's now 14. And then Penelope, she's 8. And this is Gracely, 8 as well. And this is Nicholas. He is 6. And these are my best friends. My best friends are Ashley, which she's right here in these. And then Victoria right here. And then Misael right here. Some of my accomplishments, I actually have a high school degree from Harlingen High School. I graduated in 2010. I am a billing and coding specialist. I graduated in May of 2011. I currently hold my associates from TSTC. I graduated a spring of 2016. And this is my high school. This is my coding and billing and coding specialist. And this is my TSTC degree. What I'm currently and aiming for is my bachelor's, which I should graduate this semester in spring of 2023. And right now, I'm still debating whether to go to Concordia or stay with Tamook for my master's. Last but not least, my inspirations. My inspiration was my JROTC instructor, First Sergeant Sarda. He taught me to always strive, even when times get tough, to keep pushing through. Thank you very much for joining and have a nice night.